Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Gonna come again to JVLOGS. Sorry for the bad lighting. There's a storm outside, rain a fall, so that's the reason why I'm not getting that natural light to filter in to the video. But hopefully it is okay, and I don't have the artificial lights. It's just the light from the light bulbs and stuff like that. So it's dark, but I guess you guys can see me a little bit. Why is it coming out of frame? Nice. So today I just want to talk about we as human beings attaching ourselves to negative energy, to negative people, to people that are going down a path of destruction. And when I say this, I mean you could be in a relationship where it's an abusive relationship, but you're still getting love and affection to a certain extent, and then you attach yourself to that kind of treatment. So because you're getting a little good treatment here, but in the long run it's going to affect you, doesn't mean that it's good for you. So I just want to look into that, because me myself, I get attached to people, I get attached to good things. If somebody treat me right, then I'll get attached to them, but that doesn't mean that it is healthy for me. It doesn't mean that things that they do, will be beneficial to me in the long run. And when I say this, I'm not trying to be selfish, but you have to look at yourself and where you're going, and look at your partner and where they are going, and work together as one to try and achieve realistic goals that will pretty much be of benefit to both of you. So the fact is, we as humans have a habit to attach ourselves to these kind of situations, these kind of people, where they give us a little and then take a lot, and by taking a lot they drain our energy. It's like a battery, a phone battery. You keep going on WhatsApp, you keep going on Facebook, you keep doing all these stuff, and the battery will run out, but you're still enjoying these features of the phone, so you continuously do it even though you know the battery is going to run out. So life is like that. We attach ourselves to good things. I think that's a natural feature of human beings where love and affection is concerned, and a lot of people yearn for love and affection like myself, and it is very bad for us to attach ourselves to negative people and negative vibe. So I just want to share that with you guys. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you have been attaching yourself to negative people just because they're giving you a little value, a little love, a little affection, and then in the long run it's going to be bad for you. So let me know in the comments below how you feel about the topic. I'm just sharing how I feel about it. Remember to subscribe and share to JVLOGS. I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturday. I hope you enjoy this. Feel free to share. Feel free to comment. It's free. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.
No, no.